Staying in the know with Lakes Life is easy. Just download the Town of Miami Lakes mobile app today. Launch the App Store. Type Lakes Life in the search bar and scroll down until you see our logo. When running the app for the first time, you will be prompted to allow the app to send you notifications. Click OK to allow the Town of Miami Lakes to send you important notifications about traffic delays, road closures, accidents, emergency weather alerts, town event information, and updates on the status of your request. You may also be prompted to allow the app to access your location. Make sure you press Allow. The new Miami Lakes mobile app gives you quick access to many features. You can submit a request, view the town calendar, calendar of events and recreation calendar, access the Miami Lakes Marketplace, track the location of the mover, view a list of all parks and community centers, report a lost or found pet, and many more. With the new Miami Lakes mobile app, you can submit requests to report issues like potholes, street flooding, damaged sidewalks, code violations, or maintenance issues right from your phone. To submit a new request, select New Request on the home page or the plus sign at the bottom of the page. Once you select an issue, you will see a map. You can either enter the address of the location of the issue, or if you are where the issue is, you can tap on the arrow on the bottom right of the map to select your current location. Once you have completed this step, select Next on the top right. On this page, you can attach a photo, write a description, and select if you want to submit the issue publicly. If you choose to submit it publicly, other residents and users of the app will be able to see your issue and its status. To attach a photo, tap on the camera icon. This will open up your camera and will allow you to either take a picture or choose a picture from your camera roll. You can also enter a brief description of the issue. To submit the issue, you can either sign up for an account or, if you already have one, log into your existing account. To make the process easier, you can sign up using your Facebook account. Once you are logged in, press Submit Request to complete the process. Once the request is submitted, you will see a confirmation screen. The screen will show you the picture you uploaded, the number assigned to your issue, and the current status of your request. To view the status of your request at any time, press Profile on the bottom right of the app. Lakes Life allows users to access the Miami Lakes Marketplace, the town's online business directory. Search for a new doctor or a place to eat, or shop using keywords like pizza or dentist. Help support and promote the town's local businesses and discover the many locally owned businesses which truly make Miami Lakes a special community with a hometown feel. Track us down and ride the mover free. Use Lakes Life to view the bus routes and schedules to find a mover near you. For more information about Lakes Life and its features, please contact the Communications Department at Town Hall, 305-364-6100.